everybody, welcome back to the channel. Julie's having a little powwow with her girlfriends for her engagement, so I'm just hanging out in the garage. I figured I'd work on the F10 a little bit. Today we're going to replace the windshield cowl. As you can see, it's all cracked up and missing some pieces, so I have a replacement one. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace that. The garage is coming together, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to kind of get some updates on the garage. We got the pressure washer mounted. Still waiting on a few fittings so I can connect the hose reel to the pressure washer, but that's it. And then we got the fridge moved out of the way, and so yeah, the garage is coming together. The next big project I have is the mini split, so I need to figure out how to get through these concrete walls. So I'm probably gonna have to buy a hammer drill or something, but yeah, let's dive into this. So the first thing I did is I took off these little covers from the bolts on top of the windshield wipers. There's little plastic covers that pop off, and then you want to mark your windshield wiper placement, so that way when you go to put it back on, you know where it goes. And then we're going to use a 5/8 socket. Should take these bolts off. So we'll take those off, and then we'll go from there. So next you're going to want to remove the left and right plastic trims. So these are each held in with, looks like 3 push pins. Mine's missing one, but just pull those up and then pull them out. So once you have the left and right off, you're going to want to take off the wiper blades. So I already loosened the nuts and everything, so you're just going to pull up on them, and they should pop off. So once you have the wiper blades off, there's going to be 2 push pins on each side. So there's one here, and there's one here. And then after that, you're going to use a hex key, a number 5 hex key for each of these, and you're just going to turn them and it should unclip it. So the last thing is you just move these 2 caps. They twist 45 degrees and they pop out. So as I'm pulling this out, it's like crumbling to pieces. So probably gonna need a good cleaning. I forgot about one thing. You're gonna want to remove these 2 lines here that connect to the windshield washer fluid sprayers, because it's hooked on right here. So yeah, once you have the cowl out, you'll probably want to give it a good wipe down and clean out all that junk. And then here's the new piece. So you can see, here's the back side of it. The seal is like perfect. So I got this on either FCP Euro or eBay, and I think it was $100. So yeah, let's put it in. So the reinstallation is pretty easy. It's the reverse of the removal, so I'll time lapse that real quick, and then we'll see what it looks like after it's done. All right, so total time for that was about 30 minutes. As you can see, it looks a whole lot better. One of the first things that you probably want to do is test your windshield wipers. So to make sure nothing got jammed up or anything. So Just want to turn the ignition on and make sure they're working, and that's it. So now that everything is lined up and good to go, you can remove the tape and enjoy. No more cracked, dingy, rotted out windshield cowl. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, drop a like on this video if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys for some more content.
I'm just really trying to show you love.